Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Databricks SQL warehouse connection using Python. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Python installed on your machine. Open your preferred code editor or integrated development environment. Start by creating a new Python file for your project. Import the required libraries for connecting to Databricks. You'll primarily need the requests library. If you haven't installed it yet, use the command pip install requests. Next, you'll need to gather your Databricks connection details. Log into your Databricks account and navigate to the SQL UI. Find the server hostname and the workspace URL. Copy this hostname for later use. Now, generate a personal access token from your Databricks account. Navigate to the user settings in your Databricks account. Click on the Access Tokens tab to create a new token. Make sure to copy this token, as you'll need it in your Python script. Return to your Python file to define your connection parameters. Create a variable for the server hostname you copied earlier. Create another variable for your personal access token. Next, define the endpoint for the SQL warehouse. Construct the appropriate connection string using these parameters. Make sure to include the necessary headers for the API request. Headers should include authorization with the value bearer your _access token. You can use the requests library to send a post request to the endpoint. Make sure to set the appropriate data format in your request. You might need to provide additional parameters based on your specific warehouse settings. Once your request is prepared, send it and store the response. Check the response status code to ensure it was successful. If successful, extract the connection details from the response. You can then use these details to establish a connection to the SQL warehouse. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.